Okay, I'm on an EPDM roof, but this was installed recently, this AC unit, like a few months ago. And all of a sudden, they have leaks. They have a leak from the drain to here, and from the drain to there. And there's many places, you can see how they did the flashing here. Look here, it's open. So the water fills up, this pond fills up. You can see how the water fills up here, and it flows in here. All right? See the patch they made here? So this is one of the areas, but look here. This flashing is open here. They just put some drippage over this where they brought the material up, and look here, it's open here. All right? So very bad flashing. Flashing is a very fancy word for transition. But look here, it's open. See there? You don't need to call a roofing company to do it. You can do it yourself, as long as you know what to look for. EPDM, you have to use super silicone seal. You cannot use anything else. It's not compatible, it doesn't stick. So I take a little bit of water, and I clean the surface here. Just like that. Has to be dry. I dry it a little bit. Okay. So I got it dry. Very clean, nice and dry. So you can see here, look. See that? Water gets in there and goes into the seam. So you can see it's not very well done. I'm doing a very fast, easy fix. I put it up to that seam up there. Cut myself a piece of fleece. Look at that. Very nice. And that's it. That's how easy it is to cover these seams. And this works so nice. And I put another coat over the fleece. Done. Now, that's just one. I want to cover all these seams. All right, so I'm going to cover this seam from there all the way to there. And if you have an EPDM roof, that's how you easily do it yourself. Every seam, you just cover it, because these seams, they leak. Okay, that's how you fix seams on an EPDM roof. All right, so I'm going to cover this seam as well here, just for in case. So from there to there, right there. It can rain in an hour and it will not affect the coating. All right, there you go. So I did this. Okay, so I'm going to do this corner, what I showed you before, the corner here. So you lift this up a little bit, lift that up, and just want to cover that corner. That corner is exposed. The flashing, they didn't bring the flashing around the corner. You can see that? They just put a drippage and they didn't cover it. Okay. Okay. And that's done. That's it. So I use the same material. This is super silicone seal, and look, it stretches. Look how it stretches with the EPDM. So when people walk on this, it will not crack or anything. It will stretch with the EPDM, and that's what makes this product so good. It's an amazing, amazing product. That's how easy it is to fix an EPDM roof. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.